Hello students, this is Navdeep Kaur from Raikot Public School, Raikot. We are discussing about plus 2's biology. Today we will start our next chapter, that is chapter number 8. Chapter number 6 we will do after your September exams. Chapter number 8 is human health and disease. What is the meaning of health? Firstly, I'll tell you. Health may be defined as state of complete physical, mental and social well-being and not only absence of disease. Means ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ ਕਿ ਅਗਰ ਡਿਜ਼ੀਜ਼ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਪਰਸਨ ਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਤਾਂ ਉਹ ਪ੍ਰੋਪਰਲੀ ਹੈਲਦੀ ਹੈ। ਹੈਲਦੀ ਹੋਣ ਦਾ ਮੀਨਿੰਗ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਫਿਜ਼ੀਕਲੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਪਰਲੀ ਫਿੱਟ ਹੈ, ਮੈਂਟਲੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਪਰਲੀ ਫਿੱਟ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਸੋਸ਼ਲੀ ਜੋ ਹੈਗਾ ਆ ਉਹ ਆਪਣੀ ਸੋਸਾਇਟੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪ੍ਰੋਪਰ ਇੱਕ ਨੋਰਮਲ ਪਰਸਨ ਦੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਬਿਹੇਵ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ। Next, common diseases in humans. Types of diseases. There are a number of diseases. Mainly these are divided into two groups, congenital and acquired. Congenital diseases we have discussed in our chapter number 5, that is genetic disorders. We have discussed number of genetic disorders, thalassemia, Down syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome, etc. In this we will study acquired human diseases. Acquired means congenital or genetic disorders which are transmitted through heredity or through which are transmitted from one generation to the next generation through the DNA, and acquired which we acquire from the environment due to environmental factors, though which diseases caused, those are known as acquired diseases. These are further of two types, communicable and non-communicable. Communicable means infectious, which can be spread through the touch or through sharing food or sharing clothes, etc. And non-communicable which do not spread through the touch. Communicable diseases further of two types, contagious and non-contagious, means through direct contact or through causing agent, non-contagious. And non-communicable, non-infectious, these are further of different types, deficiency, degenerative, allergic, cancer, mental and addiction. Firstly we will start communicable diseases, and in these we will start our first type, that is viral diseases. Viral diseases, communicable diseases, viral diseases which are transmitted through the viruses. In this, under this category you are having three diseases, chikungunya, dengue and common cold. And also malaria, but malaria is a protozoan disease. Chikungunya, it is caused by chikungunya virus, and it is the mode of transmission of this disease is Aedes aegypti mosquito. No vaccine is available. Signs and symptoms. Its symptom includes sudden onset of fever, crippling joint pains, lymphadenopathy and conjunctivitis. Some shows hemoglobin manifestations. The fever is typically biphasic. Chikungunya is found in India only. चिकनगुनिया की ਹੁੰਦਾ ਜੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਜੁਆਇੰਟਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪੇਨ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ, ਫੀਵਰ ਆ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹ ਬਾਈਫੇਜ਼ਿਕ ਮੀਨਸ ਫੀਵਰ ਮਾਰਨਿੰਗ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਜਾਂ ਈਵਨਿੰਗ ਹੋਏਗਾ, ਇੱਕ ਟਾਈਮ ਹੁੰਦਾ, ਦੂਸਰੇ ਟਾਈਮ ਜੋ ਹੈਗਾ ਫੀਵਰ ਉਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ। ਇਨਕੂਬੇਸ਼ਨ ਪੀਰੀਅਡ 3 to 6 days। ਇਨਕੂਬੇਸ਼ਨ ਪੀਰੀਅਡ ਉਹ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਬੱਚੇ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਿੰਪਟਮਸ ਸ਼ੋ ਹੋਣੇ ਸਟਾਰਟ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ, ਮੀਨਸ ਬਾਈਟ ਤੋਂ, ਮੋਸਕੀਟੋ ਦੀ ਬਾਈਟ ਤੋਂ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਦਿਨ ਬਾਅਦ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਿੰਪਟਮਸ ਸ਼ੋ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ। ਪ੍ਰੀਵੈਂਸ਼ਨ ਐਂਡ treatment. Preventive measures include elimination of mosquitoes and their eggs. Paracetamol is given to reduce fever. Analgesics, drugs such as aspirin for the joint pain. Bed rest and adequate fluid intake also recommended. Second is dengue fever. It is also transmitted through the Aedes aegypti mosquito. It is caused by mosquito-borne flaviriovirus, and the agent for transmission is same, Aedes. It is chikungunya is caused by chikungunya virus, and this is caused by flaviriovirus. But the mode of transmission is same in these two diseases. Incubation period 3 to 8 days. Types of dengue fever: classical dengue fever, sudden onset of high fever, severe frontal headache, pain behind the eyes and which worsens with eye movement, muscles and joint pains, loss of appetite, rashes on the body, nausea and vomiting. Symptoms of dengue: hemorrhage, fever. Symptoms similar to classical dengue fever except following: bleeding from the nose, mouth, gums and skin bruising, severe and continuous stomach pains, frequent vomiting with or without blood, pale, cold or clammy skin, excessive thirst, rapid weak pulse, difficulty in breathing and restless and constant crying. No vaccine dengue test is available. Prevention and treatment same: elimination of mosquitoes and their eggs, wear clothes that cover the body. Dengue, the mosquito responsible for dengue is active during daytime, so daytime we have to take care. No specific therapy is available. Symptomatic care including bed rest, adequate fluid intake and analgesic medicine is recommended. Do not take aspirin and dispirin. Use paracetamol tablet or syrup. Only paracetamol is recommended, and in chikungunya paracetamol, aspirin and dispirin all are recommended. And dengue fever is common in the season which is now present season, like in the rainy season mainly dengue fever is most common. Common cold or rhinitis or rhinitis. Pathogen is rhinovirus. The virus attack the nose and respiratory passages but do not the lungs. Mode of transmission: viruses are transmitted through inhalation of droplets from the infected person or through contaminated objects. Incubation period 3 to 7 days. Signs and symptoms: common cold is characterized by nasal congestion, excessive nasal secretion, very sore throat, cough and headache, etc. Treatment: antihistamines and decongestants are used as drugs to treat common cold. No vaccine is available. ਵੈਕਸੀਨ ਦਾ ਮੀਨਿੰਗ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਬੱਚੇ? ਵੈਕਸੀਨ ਉਹ ਮੈਡੀਸਿਨ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਕਿ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਡਿਜ਼ੀਜ਼ ਹੋਣ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਹੀ ਉਸ ਡਿਜ਼ੀਜ਼ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਇਮਿਊਨਿਟੀ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਉਹ ਪ੍ਰੋਵਾਈਡ ਕਰਦੀ ਹੈ, ਅਤੇ ਮੈਡੀਸਿਨ ਉਹ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਜਦੋਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਡਿਜ਼ੀਜ਼ ਹੋਣ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ 'ਚ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਅਤੇ ਡਿਜ਼ੀਜ਼ ਨੂੰ ਉਹ ਕਿਉਰ ਕਰਦੀ ਹੈ। ਵੈਕਸੀਨੇਸ਼ਨ ਮੀਨਸ ਹੁਣ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਨਫੈਂਸੀ ਸਟੇਜ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਜੋ ਇੰਜੈਕਸ਼ਨਸ ਲੱਗਦੇ ਆ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਬੋਲਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਵੈਕਸੀਨੇਸ਼ਨ, ਕਿ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਜੋ ਡਿਜ਼ੀਜ਼ਸ ਹਾਲੇ ਹੋਈਆਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਆਪਣੀ ਬੋਡੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਹੀ ਜੋ ਹੈਗੀ ਆ ਉਹ ਇਮਿਊਨਿਟੀ ਬਿਲਡਅਪ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ। ਕਲੀਅਰ? ਸੋ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਤਿੰਨੋਂ ਵਾਇਰਲ ਡਿਜ਼ੀਜ਼ਸ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਮੈਡੀਸਿਨ ਆ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਉਹ ਵੈਕਸੀਨੇਸ਼ਨ ਆ ਉਹ ਅਵੇਲੇਬਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ। ਐਂਡ ਐਂਟੀਹਿਸਟਾਮਾਈਨਸ ਬੱਚੇ ਉਹ ਮੈਡੀਸਿਨਸ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਕਿ ਐਲਰਜੀ ਨੂੰ ਠੀਕ ਕਰਦੀਆਂ। ਇਨ ਕਾਮਨ ਕੋਲਡ ਇਜ਼ ਦਾ ਟਾਈਪ ਆਫ ਐਲਰਜੀ ਆਲਸੋ। ਸੋ ਫॉर टुडे अप टू दिस ओनली बच्चे। थैंक यू। हैव अ नाइस डे।